How you doing today, guys? What I got here is a Boland's and single stage snowblower, 5 horsepower, 21-inch electric start. And what I'm going to show you today is if you've got some one of these single stage blowers that has this kind of a chute, sometimes these things get stuck and they're hard to turn. So this is a quick and easy fix. Just get yourself some lubricant, WD-40, any sort of penetrating lubricant. I'm just kind of turning this around towards the light a little bit. What you can do, guys, is spray some lubrication right in here in this channel in between the two pieces. You're going to want to do that all the way around, just this. And once you do that, kind of work it back and forth some. And as you can see, it's actually working as it should. It's a quick, simple, easy fix just for some very easy snowblower maintenance. Thanks for joining me. If you like the video, if you learned something, if I helped you out at all, please hit the subscribe button. Helps me out. Thanks so much, and until next time, take care.